Here is my marinated chicken. Time to cook them. Adding some broth here. This is a beef broth. It will double up the taste. Here's my roasted potato, harra. Such a beautiful day. Gotta clean up. I started seeding for my veggies, pepper, tomato, and everything else. So in about 2 weeks, everything grows. Here I'm getting ready for my veggies. I gotta pull these out and soon plant them. Lots of cleaning to do. Look at these guys. Look at this parsley. These are parsley right here. Start growing already. It's 15 degrees today. Looking nice. Soon we're gonna get the grass out. Here's my chicken. Beautiful. All done. Even the potatoes done. So beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh. This is the wing. There you go. There is your wing.